As somebody who didn't know VCC very well at all, it's an institution that I've come to respect greatly. They are so supportive of the broader neighborhood context. We really think they're a very critical piece of all of our collective vision for what could be a really world-class place. Community development to us is really about creating interesting, energetic neighborhoods that people want to spend time in.
We really have a vision and a goal to invest in a community and work with the local stakeholders to really make sure that we come up with a plan that's consistent with what the neighborhood and the community calls for. CCEAI serves a really important function in that sense because you're building a purposefully built 21st century teaching environment that's customized for and training and educating the batch of talent that's going to come out.
Classroom learning is important because it allows the students to come to a place where they can focus on their studies, they can learn from instructors, they can work from their peers. It brings a different component of what they can do together, being able to learn about some of the things that are available to them, and get ideas about what the future it is for them.
The classroom is very open, which means it's open to discussion. A lot of people can give you feedback. A lot of these instructors actually have this time where they pull up the projects on the monitors for us to give feedback to each other. It's a very judgmental-free zone, and it's really easy to talk to everyone.
VCC makes things happen. It's been really unique in our experience to work there and have a real strong consensus about what the vision will be.
This is going to be one of the first projects that's going to be coming out of the ground on Great Northern Way. So it's really meaningful because it shows, what is to come. And for Great Northern Way for South Flat to become what it needs to become.
The new building will do a variety of things. It'll bring the community together. I think it'll bring students to recognize the importance of technology and what the future of technology is. I think it will add value to VCCs as we stand in a competitive market where with competing with other institutions, I think they'll see that this is a reflective place where students can work together and create new things.
I'm excited for the new building that's going up. The new building will have a much better working environment for everyone.
With the ambitious goals that the city, the province, and the country has set as we move further towards a low-carbon economy, the clean industry really is going to need a lot of talent. It's rapidly growing, and VCC's focus on that area, it provides a state-of-the-art, built-for-purpose facility to train and to develop talent that's going to be highly coveted in many years to come by the city and by the